Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Now this was taken when we had some grocery shopping to be done for home. Usually we buy all the groceries from Lulu, as you all know. This time made a slight change, though we had to go to Lulu again to get some items which were not available at the place where we went. Someone tried to break the glass. Now I had googled some farmers markets in Riyadh. Just wanted to go and look out what's there. Now anyone in Riyadh, I have put the location map below. You could go if you would like to. The location is on the north of Riyadh, that's Al Muruj area. Parking isn't a problem there are plenty. There are different sections for chicken, fish, vegetables, fruits, and even a separate one for dates. The chicken shops are local producers. Since they don't cut and give, we opted to go Lulu for that. Then we moved towards the vegetable section. Over there itself are the shops for dates. It's not the season for dates now, but they have stored it neat and clean. Different varieties. That's the section for vegetables. They had kept it well organized. There are large and small packets. Some you don't get in small quantities like tomatoes. You need to take away the large containers. Since the weather is cold, not keeping in the refrigerator is possible. So we took tomato in large amount. The prices over here are negotiable too. That's sweet potato. I have a recipe coming up in another video. I don't know what these are, but he said it's added in tea. If anyone of you know it, do comment below what it is actually. Lots and lots of greens. Bought a few. Leaves are actually very cheap. You get a bunch for just a riyal. And if you're buying a lot of vegetables, it's much cheaper. Towards the fruit section, we didn't buy much from here, just a box of oranges and few other.
Manda garden. Ma pari. Gemma. Madi.
On the way for Lulu shopping where nothing is negotiable. Seba Med for kids. Some cleaning products. That's Fairy that I use for hand washing the dishes. Rinse Aid for the dishwasher. It lasts depending on the usage of the dishwasher. Harpic for toilet bowls. I normally buy Dettol but just tried a different one. For white clothes, I use Clorox stain remover. Just add a scoop in the washing machine along with the washing powder. Now washing powder, we usually go for Tide, Ariel or any other good products. But most of the time there is reduction in the price in any of the brands. So we store it sometimes. For blankets and sheets, I add Comfort to add in some fragrance. Now this is fresh chicken. Many of you had asked me why don't I keep it in the freezer. There is expiry date on the packet. We usually buy chicken for preparing the very next day and there is at least 4 to 5 days till the expiry. So if at all I'm not preparing the next day, I would definitely keep it in the freezer. Otherwise it goes in the refrigerator. You get grated coconut here. It's a less in price if you can wait for grating a whole coconut, but not too much though. I mainly come Lulu to get coconut, curry leaves and shallots. These three we don't get in small grocery shops. Now that's the bread section. Pastry section is sometimes magnetic. Arman wanted donuts, though not every time, we let the kids take at times. Dairy products, we usually prefer Almarai for milk and yogurt, that's a Saudi company. That's fresh cream that I use for pudding or even to add in curries. That's the Lebanese for salads and dips. I go for Lupak butter. I don't really like the taste of Almarai butter. Salt section. That's Himalayan pink salt. A bit pricey, but it's good one. I usually buy a different one. I couldn't find it there that time. This is where we get the cling film, aluminium foil, all Ziploc bags. Now this is our shopping trolley bag. I bought this online. Helpful when we have a lot to carry home. Shall link below if I find the same or similar one. There's a lot of tomatoes, storing few in the fridge and some outside. It's really ripe and fleshy. We had bought a lot of green chilies, so let me show you how I stored in a large glass container. I removed the top stem part of the green chilies, placed a tissue paper again, place tissue papers in between so that the moisture doesn't remain to spoil the green chilies. I had seen my mother doing this, which I felt really helpful, storing garlic cloves separately. It's easy to take the needed quantity rather than taking out the whole garlic bulb. Lots of oranges. Shopping at Carrefour. I go Carrefour to get the butter for making ghee. Here again, lots of special offers for many products. From this section I get all the spice powders and seasonings. That's paprika. It's basically dried capsicum powder. Shawarma spices, kapsa spices, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder and lots of other. Now that's the big block of butter I buy for making ghee. That's the kunafa dough in a big bucket. So that's for today's simple vlog. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for updates. Coming up with more recipes and craft videos. So stay tuned. Until then, take care. Bye bye.